The FICO Educational Challenge is focusing around to empower these students to have an opportunity to learn how to operationalize AI and machine learning in real industry applications.
This year, we've brought the students a challenge of identifying fraud within credit card transactions. It's a transaction analytics problem where we are giving them the tools of feature engineering, understanding how to work with large data sets, and using log-reg as well as neural network machine learning algorithms to be able to predict fraud within those transactions.
We created the FICO Educational Analytics Challenge to identify, build, and grow the next generation of data scientists. And we are committed to partnering with universities to expose the students to a challenge working on a real project alongside FICO data scientists.
For them participating in the challenge, they get this real world experience. They get the knowledge of Dr. Zodi, who is the best of the best. So with that, they can move forward in their career once they leave Drake State.
Alabama A&M decided to partner for year 2 because we really appreciate the knowledge as well as the experience that our students get from participating in the challenge. The students last year got to see how broad and how impactful data science is, and they also got to use some skills that they learned in class to actually apply it to data science, which was very helpful when they are looking for jobs and trying to broaden their horizons and enter the workforce.
The FICO Data Analytics Challenge helped influence our data science minor here at Alabama A&M University by really providing a direction or interest from folks outside of our traditional computer science and engineering areas. So our computer science program is housed within our engineering school, and most of the big data sets that we work on typically come from scientific simulations and things like that. So it was refreshing for FICO to come out here and get involved with us and really to kind of bring in a new sector for us. So finance sector, that's very attractive to not just our students, but also business school students and students from across campus.
This experience is unique and exclusive. Having hands-on experience from experts in the field is something that I'm forever grateful for. We have people who are actually giving us real-time feedback is very valuable in learning in any field in life.
Working with a FICO data scientist helps me gain real-world experience. I'm looking most forward to working with FICO mentors and building a model so I get more advanced technology to work with.
The Analytic Challenge is really important for students because it provides an opportunity to work with FICO staff, to understand what it means to work within an industry environment, and to get access to the types of problems that really matter. Right? We want to move them outside of an academic environment to one that is an industry environment. So they have an understanding of what it means to work in teams. They work on real problems that matter so they can seamlessly enter into the workforce data science in the industry overall.